Rigsby's Barely Used Auto Parts engine warranty information. Thank you for choosing us. All of these steps and more are listed on your invoice. Please share this video with your mechanic and repair facility. These procedures are vital to maintain your warranty and for a trouble-free installation. Failure to follow these guidelines can void your warranty, so please protect your investment. Improper installation may void your warranty. Use an ASE certified mechanic. Your engine must be serviced every 3,500 miles. Keep your installation and maintenance receipts. All receipts must include mileage, VIN, and service or purchase date. Your purchase includes the engine block and heads. Component parts may be on the engine but are not under warranty unless sold separately. Your mechanic or repair facility must transfer your current component parts from your defective engine onto your newly purchased engine. These parts include, but are not limited to, starters, alternators, AC compressors, carburetors, distributors, and mass air sensors. Your mechanic or repair facility must also perform any computerized reprogramming needed. Here are some parts that must be replaced prior to installation. New oil filter, new water pump, new seals, new thermostat, and new timing belts. Belt failure could result in extensive damage, which will void your warranty. Cooling systems must be working properly. They must also be tested and flushed. Warranty will be voided if the radiator isn't cooling properly. If the engine is overheated at any time, including during installation, testing, or driving, your warranty will be voided. Heat tabs are placed on every engine. Overheating the engine will melt the heat tabs. Missing or melted heat tabs will immediately void your warranty. Here are some things to watch for: overheating, steam, smoke, and smells, abnormal gauge readings, low fluid levels, leaks while parked. If any of these should happen, stop driving and pull over safely. Never drive an overheated vehicle. Call your mechanic or repair facility. They will advise you of your next steps. Protect your vehicle and your investment. Read both sides of your invoice. Follow installation guidelines. Perform regular maintenance. Keep your receipts. Carefully observe your vehicle. Don't drive your vehicle overheated. This will melt your new heat tabs and immediately void your warranty. Share this video with your mechanic and repair facility. Thank you for choosing us, Rigsby's Barely Used Auto Parts.